YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy Live Feed not loading, buffering and connection troubleshooting issues. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so you guys just follow this video. So guys, first of all check your network and Wi-Fi. So guys, the live stream will fail to load if your signal is too weak or if the camera is disconnected from your router. So move the camera closer to your router to bring its in outdoor temporary to reset your connection. Okay, next thing is guys, ensure your router is broadcasting on the 2.4 gigahertz network, but if a camera does not support 5 gigahertz network. Okay, and guys, turn on your phone 2.4 gigahertz mobile hotspots and try to connect your Birdfy to use it. If it is load, the issue is with your home Wi-Fi. Then guys, check the power and battery status. A low battery can disable your Wi-Fi and cause the live feed to disconnect the preserve power. So bring the camera indoor and fully charge it, and if that, then charge it fully before attempting to turn it back on. Okay, then guys, fix 3 is app updates and server outage. Sometimes the issue is not on your end but stream from a temporary cloud server outage or outdated application version. Okay, so you update the app, simply go to your device app store and ensure you have the latest version of your Birdfy app installed. Okay, you also clear the cache. And Android, you simply go to the settings, app, Birdfy and storage and clear the cache on your iOS, offload and reinstall the app. Then guys, factory reset. So if restarting and charging does not work, then you perform a full reset to clear out the connection bugs. And guys, find the reset button located near the USB port. Use the paperclip or included reset pin or press and hold it for 7 to 10 seconds until the camera chimes or resets. Then guys, you open the Birdfy app, tap the option of add devices and follow the on-screen instruction to pair your camera again. Then guys, thank you and have a nice day.